Okay, SPA or SMK M60. I had a sneak peek last night, but let's have a proper look, shall we? Nicely packaged. I think they need to go in the bin. .20 mag. It's aluminium. It's the FX style, i.e. low bond back to front. It's all aluminium. The housing and the wheel is all aluminium, and it actually feels very nice. Makes a change because they're normally quite crap, these style mags. Looks good. Looks alright. Fill probe, pretty standard. Looks like a little gauge tool. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a gauge tool. And then the rest is just your spare O-rings. It's nice. I think they're about the only brand that actually give you a full set of replacement O-rings. There's a lot of O-rings, so hopefully this rifle isn't jam-packed with lots of O-rings, because more O-rings makes for more leaks. Feels quite heavy, but heavy is that's a good thing when it comes to air rifles. Yeah. Aluminium shroud, silencer, fill gauge. .250 bar max fill pressure. There's your regulator gauge. Seems quite high. Saying about 110 bar. Oh, interesting. Plastic cheek piece. Ambidextrous. Looks like it's an adjustable cheek pad. Let's get rid of this box and have a look. Well, first impressions, it feels very well built. Actually feels alright. Not really graunchy. I thought it'd be a lot more graunchy than that. One being it's a cheap Chinese, and two it's brand new, but there's your safety. Nice and sturdy. Not too clicky. solid. Okay, there's your trigger linkage. Not bad. It feels. Oh, that's nice. It's got a palm swell in the grip. Oh, that feels really nice. That feels really comfortable. Feels quite well balanced. Not bad at all. Let's have a look at this cheek piece. Yeah, it's adjustable. Oh, hello. Ah. Let me get some light on. It says M60 on a cap, but it's just falling out. Oh, okay. Right, so the little cap goes in there. Okay. Let's have a look at the shroud. It's just a tube. Cool. Don't think that's 1/2 inch U&F. Huh. Silencer's modular. Not bad threads. Running looks okay. Oh, hello. Oh, results. Look at that. It's got a valve system, so you can take your cylinders off. Oh, that looks a bit nasty. That is a bonus. Yeah, it's not 1/2 inch U&F, okay. That's probably no, it's not. Okay, it's a funny size thread. Let's have a look at that, see what it is. Right, so it's a 15. It looks like a 125. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a 15 by 1.5mm thread. Very odd. That's a shame. Big shame. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. And the adapter is this, well, I'm assuming 16. By 1.5, so 15.15 and 16.125. So pretty much this could only be used for this barrel and this configuration. That's a bit of a bummer. 1/2" UNF would have been lovely on there, or even a 14 by 125 like a CZ. But well, first impressions, it feels very nicely well built. The finish is lovely. This whole block is aluminium, so I'm assuming there's your reg. That was obviously a chamber. Valving systems in here. That, I'm assuming, is the hammer. Yes, and the valve is in there. Okay. The probe. Oh, okay. It's a BSA style probe with the transfer port in there. Okay, I'm not a lover of those, I prefer a pin probe. Right. Very impressed so far. I think it's definitely a carbon copy of an Impact. Hopefully a lot more reliable. But for the money you pay, I think it's okay. Obviously I've not shot it yet. I'll be completely honest with you. I'm probably not going to shoot it as is. I'm definitely going to be stripping it down, making some modifications. I'll be honest with you, that barrel is probably, definitely going to get changed. I'd love to find a CZ barrel. If not, a loaf of Wolfers are available. Well, let's see what the silencer sounds like, shall we? Definitely like that valving system on the cylinder. It feels very well built. There's no flex, which is great. Right, no silencer. Just sounds under power. I can tell you now that's under power. Right, silencer. That's okay. So far so good. I mean, it's quite surprising that the build quality so far seems very good. The machining is very good. It's definitely FX styly. Look at it. It's very much like an Impact. Very much so. Is it an Impact? Is it designed after an Impact? Aesthetically, yes. Feels a bit heavier. Obviously it's not got a bottle system, but I think that definitely deserves a bottle cylinder. A bottle rather than a cylinder. It's only 200 cc's. Yeah, just thought I'd give you a side-by-side comparison. But I promise you, it's got to be more reliable than an Impact. So, yeah, right. Let's have a quick look at the mag, shall we? Right, so all the way around. First one skirting. And then, as normal, right, 20 pellets. Let's put it in a rifle and see how it indexes. Right, 2 magnets here with a slot. Feels okay. Definitely locks in place, but there's a bit of wiggle room there. I'm sure it's something we can sort out. Right, I've got the action in a vise. I just want to test the magazine to see what it's like, so I'm going to zoom in and then crack some shots. Wow. That was very smooth, and obviously on the last one doesn't allow you to cock, indicating that you're out pellets. So, not bad SMK, not bad at all. Next video, I'm going to strip it down and see what the internals are like.